Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with Essentials, confirm Android Studio and JDK paths, and open your project so indexing can complete. Once done, open both Module and Project Build. Gradle files to see declared plugins, dependencies, and Kotlin or Java versions. Make sure the Gradle wrapper exists in Gradle/wrapper and inspect Gradle wrapper. Properties for distribution URL. Then click the toolbar Gradle sync icon or trigger file sync project with Gradle files to begin resolving plugins and repositories. Once sync starts, monitor the build or Gradle console to catch missing artifacts and version conflicts. You need to read the first error line. If versions mismatch, update ClassPath plugin in build. Gradle and module dependency versions, then click sync again. Make sure repositories, Google, Maven Central, are listed. If the process stalls, use Gradle tool window to refresh or run /Gradle refresh dependencies from terminal to force redownloads. This often fixes transient network or cache inconsistency issues. After a successful sync, run build clean project and then rebuild project to ensure compilation picks up updated artifacts. Make sure lint and annotation processors complete without errors, then deploy to emulator or device to validate runtime behavior. If sync still fails, try file invalidate caches /restart and delete the Gradle folder in your project to force a fresh wrapper download. As a key troubleshooting tip, check proxy or VPN settings. Network issues often block repository access and cause persistent sync failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.